What's up, YouTube? We back again, another reaction. Airplay Beats, La and Chi. And today we got Tedeschi Trucks Band Anyhow live in the studio. You ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
About all the rules, learning lessons no one gets to choose. Everywhere I turn, here I am. So walk away with me. I show you that I will go anywhere.
Is that a cover?
I don't know. I don't know.
I heard that song before somewhere. But she's dope.
Yeah, she's one of the singers that we don't talk about enough that we've reacted to, but she does it effortlessly.
She's got what it takes.
She has a beautiful voice.
She's just sitting down, belting that out.
Yeah, no, effortlessly. That's why I said it's effortless.
Yeah, she's
like
dope.
she and it's so strong.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so.
Woke up feeling all the dread, pieced together what I missed, realized that you pushed me out to sea. Fallen from a lost place, dealing with the wreckage in your eyes. Everywhere I turn, there you are. So walk away.
They killed that.
That was a damn good performance.
They murdered that song.
I mean, pick your poison. The bass line, the horns.
Well, let's get to the back to the bass. I was waiting for them to show him the whole. They didn't show him until.
It's kind of towards the end. Yeah, they showed him.
Yeah, I wanted to see how his fingers was moving. He was killing that thing.
And then we got to the end of the song. Like, we were getting close to the end. I was like, no slide.
That's what I was thinking. Where the hell
No
is the
slide.
slide at?
And
There it was.
He
And
ended it off.
He killed it with the slide.
But I can't lie. The best thing about that is the lead vocalist. The way she sung that was beautiful.
Yeah, she killed that one.
That was an amazing,
The raspiness.
amazing performance.
She cuts in and out of that raspiness.
No, she's tough, man.
She is. But yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell, and we up out of here.